Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn and Grow English podcast. Today, I'm going to explain a very important topic, tenses in English, in a super simple way. What is a tense? Tense tells us when something happens in the past, before, in the present, now, or in the future, later. So there are three main tenses. 1. Past, already happened. 2. Present, happening now or daily. 3. Future, will happen later. Each tense has 4 types. Each tense has 4 forms. Let's use the verb eat as an example. 1. Simple I eat, I ate, I will eat. 2. Continuous I am eating, I was eating, I will be eating. 3. Perfect I have eaten, I had eaten, I will have eaten. 4. Perfect continuous I have been eating, I had been eating, I will have been eating. So total equals 3 tenses, Cheng 2, 4 types, 12 tenses. Don't worry. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, we'll learn one tense at a time with easy grammar, short stories, real-life examples, speaking practice, and fun challenges. Quick speaking practice, repeat after me. 1. I eat lunch at 2 p.m. Present. 2. I ate lunch at 2 p.m. Past. 3. I will eat lunch at 2 p.m. Future. Great job. You just spoke 3 tenses. Challenge. Speak one sentence in present, past, future. Use simple verbs like go, play, eat, or sleep. That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening to Learn and Grow English podcast. If you enjoyed this episode and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Every day, we'll keep learning English step by step with stories, practice, and lots of fun.